Hello everyone and welcome to MTG Compulsive Research, where we bring you the best insights into the European Magic Card finance market. In today's episode, we're looking at the top cards that have increased in value over the past 7 days. At the end of the video, we'll tell you about our top picks for the week and the cards we're looking to pick up now. As we're focused on the European market, all prices will be in euros unless otherwise stated. Okay, let's get started and have a look at this week's risers. Our first mover this week is Umbris Fear Manifest from Crimson Vow Commander, a 5 converted mana cost legendary creature, Nightmare Horror. Umbris Fear Manifest gets +1/+1 for each card your opponents own in exile. Whenever Umbris or another Nightmare or Horror enters the battlefield under your control, target opponent exiles cards from the top of their library until they exile a land card. This card has risen from $6 to $10. This is likely spiking due to the new Baldur's Gate commander, Captain Nagathron, which is a Horror tribal commander. The price in Europe is around €3.50 and it's starting to move up slowly. Our next mover is Reckless Rage from Rivals of Ixalan. This is a 1 converted mana cost instant. Reckless Rage deals 4 damage to target creature you don't control and 2 damage to target creature you control. This card has risen from 70 cents to $2. Reckless Rage is starting to see Pioneer play as the most efficient creature removal in red. It's currently showing up in Boros, Gruul and Izzet decks. In the European market, copies are still available for less than 25 cents, although the trend price is a bit higher, suggesting this is on the move. Our final mover this week is Rhythm of the Wild from Kamigawa Neon Dynasty Commander. This is a 3 converted mana cost enchantment. Creature spells you control can't be countered. Non-token creatures you control have Riot. This card has risen from $2 to $4. Rhythm of the Wild was originally printed in Ravnica Allegiance, and this was starting to creep up in price before the reprint in a Kamigawa Commander deck. It's always worth looking out for reprints like this, which cause a drop in price. This is a generically strong card in Gruul decks and is likely to continue to be popular. Rhythm of the Wild is available for around €1 in Europe, but the price is trending upwards. So, what are we interested in picking up this week? Our first pick this week is Zayatora's Proving Ground from Streets of New Capenna, regular version, currently priced at around €7. Our prediction is this will be around €15 in about 12 months' time. Now, we've chosen Zayatora's Proving Ground, but really we're looking at all of the new triomes from Streets of New Capenna. It looks as though these are close to the floor price-wise, so it's now the time to start picking up your copies. The original Ikoria triomes have shown up in EDH, Pioneer and even Modern, and there's no reason why these won't see a similar play pattern. Our next pick is Inspiring Statuary from Revolt. Currently priced around €3, we predict this will be around €8 in 6 to 12 months time. This card has some great treasure synergy, as well as all of the other artifact tokens we've been given recently. The non-foils are at risk of a reprint in a Commander product, and there are a couple of foils still available at a decent price at the time of recording, but these are drying up fast. If this keeps dodging reprints for another few months, we think this could hit €8 to €10 fairly quickly. In the UK, some buy lists are paying £2.50 for these, which mitigates some of the risk. Our final pick this week is Vampiric Tutor from the list. Currently priced around €26, we think that within 12 months this will be at around €35. This is another Commander staple that was reprinted in this version of the list. Vampiric Tutor has seen a couple of reprints recently and dodged a reprint in Commander Legends 2, so now seems like a good time to pick up a copy of this. It's not likely to show up in any of the precons, so the next place we would see this is Double Masters, which thematically it doesn't really fit. This could easily be back up to €35 to €40 in the next few months. And that takes us to the end of this week's episode. Let us know your thoughts on this week's big movers in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll bring you a weekly update on MTG Finance.